Hey, Herman here. In 2026, I'm going all in learning software engineering, machine learning, and computer science. This video isn't a advice. It's not a motivation. It's just me putting my plan out there publicly so I stop running in circles. So why bother to make this video, right? I think for a long time, I felt stuck, like genuinely stuck. I wasn't moving forward, I was just existing. I first started learning to code in April 2024. I stayed consistent for about 2 weeks and then I lost momentum. In April 2025, I tried again, this time with more seriousness. But after a week, I stopped again. And that pattern kept repeating. I wasn't lazy, I wasn't incapable, I just didn't have a strong enough reason to commit fully. Then, something happened. I won't talk about it in this video. I'll keep the story for the future when I actually become something. Because I believe some stories only make sense when you earn the right to tell them. But that moment changed how I think. I understood. I have to do this. There are no options left. It made things clear. That's when I decided I'm not trying anymore, I'm committing. And that's why from July of 2025, I started learning to become front-end engineer consistently every day. And that's how my last 5 months have been, learning every day, and now I'm preparing next year goals that I want to achieve. To be honest, my learning plan is built around 3 core areas: software engineering, computer science, and machine learning. But I want to be clear, the majority of my focus is on software engineering. That's the skill that lets me build the real things, ship products, and create a value in the real world. I also genuinely enjoy computer science. I really like the theory, understanding how things work under the hood, how systems are designed, why algorithms behave the way they do. A lot of people saying computer science is dead. I honestly don't believe that. No learning ever truly goes to waste. It just gives you a different perspective, and perspective compounds. As for machine learning, I'm not chasing the hype. I want to understand AI well enough to build a fully fledged applications with it. Not just demos, not just APIs slapped on the projects, real products. I believe combining solid software engineering with the CS fundamentals and a practical machine learning is how I can stand out. From January to June 2026, my focus is very specific. First, I will complete the Bruno Simon's three.js journey. Not just to finish the course, but to actually understand how 3D on the web works. By the end of it, I will build one polished 3D website. Not a demo, not a clone, a real production level project I'm proud of. Alongside that, I will continue to learn full stack development, but with the front end as my core strength. My goal for the first half of 2026 is simple: become genuinely good at building modern, high-quality front-end experiences. From July to December, I'll switch gears. This is where I go deeper. I'll focus on machine learning engineering and core computer science, not to chase hype, not because AI is trending, but because I want to understand how systems actually work. Data, algorithms, models, foundations. I want depth, not a surface level tutorials. And if AI is really taking over, I'm already prepared to go all in towards machine learning. I really don't think so that AI will replace engineers, but that doesn't mean I should not be prepared. So that is another reason I'm picking machine learning. Throughout the entire year, I'm committing to something difficult but necessary. I will solve at least 300 to 600 ESA problems, not in rush, not to flex numbers, just consistent disciplined problem solving. This will help me to build the logic. But the most important part of my plan isn't the courses or DSA, it's projects. I'll build 3 full-fledged projects in 2026, projects that will solve real problems, have a clean UI, proper backend, clear documentation, and real thought behind them. Not a resume fillers, projects that can actually help me to get a job. If things go well, I should get at least one internship or a job. I also try for the Google Summer of Code or a software fellowship. No pressure, no expectations, just effort. I won't lie, I'm scared. I don't know exactly how this will turn out. I don't know if everything will work out the way I imagine, but I do know one thing: doing nothing is no longer an option. I would rather fail after giving everything than staying stuck, overthinking forever. So this is it. If you're on a similar path, building, learning, struggling, figuring things out, subscribe to my YouTube channel and connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Thank you for watching.